Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Hope you can hear me.
I can hear you. So good afternoon.
Right. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the third seminar under TEAL 2.0. I warmly welcome all the participants to our seminar series. So those who actually visit this for the first time, let me introduce a little bit about the seminar series as well as our guest speaker. Right. First of all, I'm Sampath Kalla. I'm senior lecturer attached to the Department of Computer Engineering, University of Peradeniya. And at the same time, I'm the Director, Engineering Education Unit. So under that, we have TEAL 2.0, which is collaborative active learning environment, technology enabled active learning environment, which is a project that we have came up with to improve access to science, technology, higher education, especially in resource poor institutions. For that, we are developing a platform, the name which is called Technology Enabled Active Learning Environment. And it is called 2.0 because we have the main backbone is 1.0. And then the software that we are going to make this collaboration, we call 2.0. Right. So if you talk about a little bit about the institution involved, this is actually international partner the project where 11 partners from various Asian and also European countries get together for this exercise. The idea is at the end of the project, we will be able to share the material as well as the courses, because we are most of the time duplicating our work, right? So we will be the coordinating partner. As the coordinating partner, we'll be looking at overall structure as well as the development and the development of courses, right? And under that, we have something called Support and Development Center. The main name is once we have the system developed, we will train staff, we will train students, we will train other administrative people to use this platform. And for that, actually, this is the beginning of the series. So at the same time, we will provide training programs. So we have conducted so far 3 seminars. The first one on conducting online examinations. And then second one on Moodle. So the third one, we have the guest speaker today, Dr. Rasika Dayaratna. He's a senior lecturer attached to the University of Colombo School of Computing. And he's generously, agreed to conduct about online teaching tools. So in this particular talk, he will talk about the teaching tools he use for the teaching. And if I tell a little bit about background, he's actually teaching information system, information security management, and professional practice and law and cyber security, right? So this is his background. At the same time, he's a lawyer. So he also know lots about this, security related stuff, even the document collaboration. So if anyone, interested, you can request him for more details. So having said that, I would like to invite Dr. Rasika Dayaratne to take the audience. Thanks. It's over to you, Rasika.
Thank you, Sampath, and good afternoon, everyone. And so, as you know, my name is Rasika Dayaratne. I'm attached to University of Colombo School of Computing. And thanks for the invitation. I think I have something to share with you, and probably at the end, if I don't have anything, that I think I have something, but let's see at the end. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to discuss some tools that I use, and I will tell you, I will show you some tools, and later I will take one particular tool, and then we can go into more details about that tool. First, I will give you an overview of some tools that I use, and if you have any questions then or concerns, that you can raise questions. And also I told Sampath that if you have any questions about intellectual property and other issues, I can share my knowledge. So feel free to ask questions, and I want to have a very interactive sessions. First, I will tell you that, and later that you also can work with me. And if you have any questions, that we can discuss those things. So I will share my screen, and I tell a few tools that I am using now. I won't share my screen. So I'll tell you the first one. I use this. This is a plugin, and you can plug into to your browser. And I'm using a Chrome browser. Actually, I am using 3 browsers. So depending on the task, I use three browsers, and so some browser is only for that email and other things, and I use other web browser for reading news and other things. So here, this in Google Chrome, you can add this tool. This tool is called talk and comment, and I use very much this tool because when I want to tell something to students, I used to have a meetings. I ask them students to come and meet me because I don't like typing very much. But later I found this tool. So I can, and the good point is with this tool is that you don't have to run a program. I have kept it in my browser. So whenever I want, I can just click that button, and I can use this tool. So that is a thing. And so if I want to send a message, I open it. And as you can see that in this the presentation, so whenever I want a note, I click that button here. Like here, you can click the button, and then it mics on, and then I can tell them my message, and then I can click this I can tick this right mark, and then what happens? Then you get the link. It is stored somewhere, and then you get the link, or it stores in the cloud, and you get the link, and that is also copied. And then when place that you can so when you are using a WhatsApp or anything like WhatsApp, you can use voice, but let's say Google Doc or email message or Facebook, whatever things, that if you want to put the voice message, you can add this voice message and send. And I use that when I read this the reports and some manuscript. I use this Google. I use this tool, and I give all the instructions and all my comments, and through that, and I paste it to that right point using the Google Doc, and share the document with the student. So I think it is a useful tool, and I can save my time. Also, I can more effective message to the students. So I think you also can try that, and it's a small one, and you can add it to your browser. and I think in other browsers also you can find this kind of tools. So that is the first tool I want to share. It's called a talk and comment. And I will share you another tool, and this is it's also a good tool. I think you can, yeah, this. And this is a AI-based tool, and this is very easy for you when you are doing preparing the lectures, and there are so many features that, so what I can share you that let's say that you want to report something, and you can type your, let's say whatever thing here, let's say and then it's automatically like a Google Doc where you have a voice typing, and you can type whatever you say, and it types whatever you say, and so it is very easy. And there you can get the free version for some, I think 600 minutes per every month. And so the advantage compared with the Google, so what I realized that, I don't know whether that feature is in Google. So you can get the message with the timestamp also. So you can see here point like 12 second, 38 second. So it gives you a timestamp also. And my experience is this one is more accurate than Google voice typing. And they say that it's otter.ai. So that's one beautiful feature of that. And another one is you can add the images. So whenever you want to add the image when you are preparing the lectures, so you can keep on talking, and then it's keep on typing, and whenever you want, you can add a photo or image here. So for example, here I think I can want to image something, I can say open, and this then it's automatically, usually it came last time photo added. So I think you can, yeah, here you can see the photo, right? So you can like it's more it will help you improve your efficiency. And also if you want to add the notes, that you can add the note here. And also if you want to highlight the text, you can highlight it. And if you can get the transcript, and you can attach with your YouTube, because like it facilitates you to have an interactive transcript. So interactive transcript is where if you click the particular word, then it goes to the right point in your videos. So this could be done with this tool. And apart from that, yeah, so that's yes. And also if you I can stop it here. Yeah. So and then you can share this one with anyone. So that is the advantage, and recording and everything, you can do that. The other thing is even if you see that it automatically identified the keywords. So you can see the keywords here. So it is like automatic. It's done by the system. And also that if you want to go to a particular place, that you can find it. And let's say that if you want to find a particular word, let's say that while you are talking, if you mention the word like Anuradhapura, you can easily find that where you have put other words also, the term Anuradhapura also. So that's why, so I think you can improve that efficiency. And they promote it for taking the minutes and also the lectures. I think you can use it for taking the notes of the minutes of the meeting also. So this is I think it's a very powerful tool. And yeah, so this is the second tool I want to tell. And the third one I want to show you is the other tool. It's called the referencing tool. Let me open my Google Doc. And what I use, I'll create a bank document. Yeah. And I know that some of you are very familiar with this, the referencing tools. So I also use the several referencing tool, but I think this kind of referencing tool is very, very useful. That is called the Sky Wheel. Sky Wheel. And so there are several ways that you can use it. Let's say that you want to insert a citation. You can type something here. And so this one work with the Google Docs. Let's say just something. And so once you click it, you can get all the references here. And if you want to put the cite something, that you can click this button, cite, and it automatically put the citation here. And then when you want to create the bibliography, you can do that one. Here is the button called Format Citation and Bibliography. And then you can get it in a different style. So if you want to get make into a IEEE style, you click IEEE, and then you can say update the citation and bibliography. So it's automatically does the work for you. Now here you can see a bibliography and yeah. So then also if you go to the Sky Hub, and then here there you can find the references, and also you can highlight the places, highlight, and everything you can do. And also you can share the work with the other co-authors also. So everyone is sharing the same database, and so that is and also if you want to highlight the particular area, then you can take the document and highlight the areas that you want. So you can say that taking the notes also, and it automatically finds something. And even when you go to the Google Scholar, and if you want to find the articles, and normally you can find the articles on Google Scholar, and so on one click that you can add all these selected articles to this Sky Wheel. So then you can share whatever the things with the other fellow authors. So that is this is another tool. It's very important, very useful, because now you can use with the Google Doc thing. So that is a referencing tool. And then so these are the two things I want to share, and then I will go to the main one, and that is called Edpuzzle. So Edpuzzle is the tool that I really want to share with you. And so this tool, you can create a video, as well as that you can use these videos created by other people. And also you can use the video created by Khan Academy or Crash Course and other places, and anyone created the videos that you can use it here. And there are some videos created by Edpuzzle also. And this is also a Google tool, and it has a pricing, but you can use the free version. And I have never paid for any of these tools, and I always use the free version. And so I share the link with you, so you can also go to this the link, and if you have a Google account, and using that Google account, you can log in, and you can also follow that, get the experience there. So here I don't have a PowerPoint. I will use this the same thing and explain that. So you can choose a video. And then you can, once you get the video, you can do a lot of things like, but another thing that you can, if it's a very lengthy one, that you can make it short. So that is one thing. And I will show you how to do that. And also you can add the questions and multiple questions as well as the open-ended questions could be embedded to this video. And so then also you can ask the students to follow the video session or the video, and you can measure that how many students completely watch the videos. And there's another interesting feature in this one. If you move from the one tab to another tab, then it's automatically stops it. So somehow it forces the students to watch the video, but he can pay attention to something else while watching that. But at least that the tab should be open in order to count the things, and otherwise he cannot without another beauty is that without watching that the entire video, you cannot complete the assignment. And so that is called this reinforce accountability. So you can check that if students are watching your videos, how many times they are watching each section, and then you can also have a questions to measure that whether they have understood the lessons. So that is interactive video, self-paced, and everything that is common in other things, it's there. And also when they want to answer the questions, they can answer that voice-based answers also given. And so you can use that YouTube video, Khan Academy, Crash Course, and any other courses that you can use it with that. And so here I will show you the pricing also. So basically that you can, the basic thing, so I use the basic one. So here you can access 5 million videos and create own interactive video lessons, add questions, audio notes. And only limitation I see that get storage space for 20 videos. So you have only 20 videos. But apart from that, I think you have all the other things, and you can integrate with Google Classroom, Black Cloud, and Moodle and everything. You can integrate. I have integrated only to Google Classroom. Yes. And I want to share with you that the theoretical background of that. So you can, I can share this link also. So here it says that how to, and I mean, this is probably a marketing one, but if you want to, but it is given by the university. And so it says that how to create effective educational videos. Yeah, first two tools. First one is called this talk and comment. I will share the link there. Sorry for that. And another one, the second one, Otter. And then the other one is Skybeam. And then last one is Edpuzzle. So here, now let's see that if you want to log into that, I think I'm sorry that I shared with the one person, but I later I'll share with others also. I forgot. Now I shared with everyone. And so I can show you that when you log in. So then log in, that you can say whether you want to log as a teacher or a student. So let's say I am a teacher. So I use my Google credentials to log into that. Sign with Google. Here you can see that. So I will show you one video, then you will see that. So I'm not 100% familiar with that. I used it once with my students. So here you can see that one assignment given to students. So this is a small about cyber crime, and so this is about a cyber crime watch. It's a cyber crime situation. So you can see that when it comes to a place, here you can see that can you guess the possible attack? So here you can give the answer, or if you want to